Hi friends, while you are practicing your pronunciation, standard English pronunciation, you should be very clear with your pronunciation. The sounds produced should be exactly according to these phonetic symbols. Possibly you have rough idea about these phonetic sounds and symbols. Now let us see, let's compare these short and long sound symbols. Okay, look here. Ago. I came just 5 minutes ago. How long ago did you come? I came here 5 minutes ago. Urgent. Is it urgent? No, it is no urgent at all. It is no urgent. Onion. So usually Indians do not cook food without onions. Onions are essential part of Indian food. Onion. Army. My brother is in army. My brother is in army. Optional. You have to study 2 languages and 3 optional subjects. Optional. Or always. I'm always punctual to my duty. I'm always punctual. Always. Exam. How was the exam? How did you do the exam? Ego. I don't like people with ego. I don't like to have ego too. Ego. Uganda. Actually, there is no word in English that begins with U sound. I have taken Uganda, as it's pronounced Uganda in many Asian and African countries, but European pronounce it Uganda, Ukraine, like that. Okay, here it is ooze. Sap oozes out of a tree. Sap oozes out of a tree. Okay, in this video, I think you are able to find clear difference between short vowel sound and long vowel sound and pronounce it exactly the way the sound is. Okay, bye.